Welcome to OCTForum.com. This video will help you to understand how to use the site and participate in learning and understanding more about OCT in eye care. OCT Forum was set up to provide advice and guidance to users of OCT at almost any level. Whether you're a complete novice or a global expert, taking part in the forum will help you to learn or to spread your knowledge. Whether you're an ophthalmologist, optometrist, ophthalmic imager, or any other eye care practitioner, you can benefit from the site and you can benefit the site. We want to share knowledge, experience and ideas. To register as a member of OCTForum.com, visit the site and on the home screen, click on the register icon. You'll now see the register page. Here, you will need to enter your details, including your chosen username and password. Put in your details, including your professional body number. If you don't have one, just type in your job title. When you visit the site, if you're already a member, click on the login icon shown here in the red square. Type in your username and password in the boxes shown here in the green square and click Login. If you click on the forum icon, you'll see a list of forum titles. Within these, you'll see boards, and within the boards are topics with posts and comments. You can scroll down to view any of these. If you want to get regular updates, please remember to follow a board and follow a post or a topic. This will provide you with email updates of any new material on the site, as well as responses to any advice requests or comments you may have posted. As you can see in this example, I have gone into a particular forum, board and topic, and I've scrolled down to view what has been posted. You can select to either receive updates or not, as shown by clicking the box where it says follow this topic. I've scrolled to the comment box and I've typed in some example text. You too can do this. Please remember to always respect other people's opinions and always be polite. As well as adding text to a post, you can add images. This might be useful for an advice request, for example. It's important to remember that any images you post do not include any patient identifiers. You can either export images such as JPEG, BMP or PNG files, for example, from your OCT software, or you can use a smartphone camera, for example, to capture the images you want to share. Also, remember to ensure you are legally entitled to share such images. You can drag and drop the images or select them and browse your computer. You can eventually build up a library of images you've posted, and occasionally you may find you can reshare images more easily using the library. You might also like to take a look at our blog posts. Simply click on the blog icon and you can scroll through previous blogs. We will also send out regular newsletters with summaries of recent content on the site. Thank you for listening. I hope that you use OCT Forum, and please do ask your colleagues to join too.